Come test drive this 2011 Buick Regal. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.